Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from one of my subscribers, something they wanted me to take a look at. And so let's take a look, I believe. All right. Let me see if I can get into this box. I'm assuming here, maybe here, and maybe here. Today I'm opening up with my Spyderco S110V Manix 2. So let's see what we got. Oh my. So what do we have in here? We have for the Sleaze Bowie. Aged white cheddar. Oh my gosh. I don't believe this is from Tyler. Oh man, that's hilarious, buddy. That is hilarious. My monostat. Okay, so you have to understand. If you're curious, you're like, what the heck is that all about? I just, real quick. So I had trouble explaining this is the Sleaze Bowie, and I apparently called it the Sleazy Booty. Or it came up, everyone thought that's what they heard was Sleazy Booty. And so then someone said, your monostat Sleazy Booty. And so there you go. That's the inside joke there. And then we've got a bag of aged white cheddar. I guess I'm pretty aged and a little cheesy. So there we go. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, let's see. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is the REX45 Manix 2 in CPM-REX45. I've always wanted to try that out. Oh, pretty nice. Not bad at all. Very cool. It's a little heftier scale than I thought it would be. A lot of times those FRN ones tend to be a little weak and stuff, right? So pretty cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. All right. So as you can tell, it's very similar to the S110V blade steel, but the difference is it's REX45. So we'll do a little research on the REX45, right? This is the regular size. These are the linerless scales that come from my brain just went dead, from Rockscale Designs. Yes, Rockscale Designs. So very cool. Pretty neat. So it's a little different as far as, yeah, the locking mechanism is here. This goes into probably part of the scale here, where this is a full steel insert here. Now this one has the titanium ball cage lock and a ceramic ball. Don't know if that'll fit in here. It looks like it might, actually. Now that I look at it, I'll have to measure it to see if it matches. But I do know the blades are the same. Now, what would look really cool on this is if we had a original Goat FRN thin scale scales. So that might be coming in. Might be taking a look at that. Now with the linerless, these are pretty close in thickness and everything. So you can see that. I mean, this is the part that's different for sure right here, right? So you can definitely see that. Blades are the same, so you could swap the blades out if you wanted to. Don't know what REX45, what's that equivalent to. I'll have to look that up. Don't know my REX45. I know it's a pretty cool steel. It's supposed to be tough, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Is it supposed to be around, like, I don't know, S45EN steel? I don't know. So don't know, but definitely a steel I don't have, and it was such a great deal. I couldn't say no. So there you go. All right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and put a clip on this little guy. I think that would look really nice on here. So let's just go ahead and do that while we're here. I do need the T8, I believe. Okay, let's see. I was having a little trouble getting that one out. This one's not coming out, is it? Well, that's weird. Completely stripped. don't know what to do about that. That's crazy. How do we get this out when it's like that, huh? I think I stripped the screw. Can't even take it off. I don't know what we're going to do. Well, I guess that's not possible right now. I've got to figure a way to break that off or something, I guess. Hopefully when I get the original goat scales, it'll work on this, but that's crazy. I don't know why it's not coming off. I don't know. Can I at least get the rest of the blade off? Well, that looks like it's coming off. Wow, that is insane. I'm about to break the scale to get that off. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I pretty much stripped that screw. Wow, that was really, really in there, wasn't it? That's crazy. Literally insane just to try to get that apart. So I guess this goes in like this. I guess the ball cage lock goes in. Interesting. Never easy, is it? So you do have to loosen that to get it through. Okay. God bless. Never this difficult with the other one. Never. Did I already mess that up? I sure did. Look at that. The D-shaped pivot's going to have a little D thing that's going to go through, but this needs to go in there before I put it in there. So make sure this is clean. Other sides, so let's take that off. A little D shape right there. Definitely will need to order some better hardware for this. Gonna get a hold of Rip's Garage Technology. Get some stuff there. Definitely gonna need that. Yeah, this is supposed to be D-shaped, but it sure looks like it stripped it. Look at Sure stripped it. Well, that's what we're gonna have to do. This should fit right in there, like that. Yep. That should not be spinning like that. That's ridiculous. It's not centered. I'm not worried about it right now. Got a little bit of oil on there, cleaned off the washers. I just really want to put a clip on so I can carry it. You can see how it warped the entire scale back there in order to get that off because it was, the D shape was stripped. That's too bad. So definitely need to order some new hardware for this thing. Hopefully you can get new hardware for an FRN one. I don't know. We shall see. There you go. Yeah, I don't like that goofy Spyderco clip. I think it's butt ugly. All right, so here we go. This is the Manix 2 in the white FRN scales, REX45. I've got a good review on this already, but this is the, the clip swap. That was a lot more challenging than it should have been. So if you run into that, just know that's a thing, right? So there you go. All right. There you go. Well, if you got any questions about this, let me know. Feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. There you go. Still love the Monostat sleazy booty. Thank you for that one. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to all of you guys out there who watch the videos, who like the content, who are part of the live streams, who enjoy everything. I sure appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all of my channel members, a huge thank you. I really do appreciate you guys. If you've been on the fence or you've been interested in being a channel member, check out the description down below. There's a link for 3 different tiers. I'd love to have you. Don't ever feel obligated. It would be an honor to have you as a channel member. And it's a small way for me to say thank you. I do try to give a once a month members giveaway. It's an exclusive members only, and it's usually a very nice knife. It's my small way to say thank you to you guys and show my appreciation. As long as you guys being so generous with the memberships, I want to make sure I'm at least generous with you guys back with making sure it's a really nice giveaway. And if you haven't already, also email me. Email me if you're a brand new channel member or you've been a channel member for a while and you've never emailed me and you're still a member now, or you just became a channel member again and you never emailed me before and never gotten one. If you want a channel member sticker, I'd love to mail that out to you. So anybody who's a brand new channel member, email me with name and address. I'd love to send that to you. Another small way for me to say thank you. Again, just want to say thank you to every one of you guys out there. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.